Hi, I'm Ren, and I'd like to share with you what my typical workday looks like. I work as a baker at a cozy little bakery called Ren's Bakery. Let's dive into my job routine. First thing in the morning, I wake up with the sun and get ready for the day. I enjoy the fresh air during my bike ride to work. It's a short commute, and it helps me stay healthy while reducing my carbon footprint. When I arrive at the bakery, the warm aroma of freshly baked goods greets me. My job starts by gathering all the ingredients we need for the day's recipes: flour, sugar, eggs, and more. Precision is key here. I make sure everything is just right to ensure the best taste. Then, it's baking time. I carefully mix and shape the dough, placing trays of pastries and bread into the oven. Watching them rise and turn golden brown is one of the best parts of my job. As customers start to arrive, I put on my friendliest smile and greet them. I enjoy helping them choose their favorite treats, whether it's a flaky croissant or a sweet cinnamon roll. Seeing their happy faces when they leave with a bag of goodies is the highlight of my day. After a busy day of serving customers, it's time to wrap up. I clean and organize the bakery, ensuring everything is ready for the next day. I'm tired but satisfied, knowing that I've brought joy to people through my baking. So that's a glimpse of my life as a baker at Ren's Bakery. It's a job filled with creativity, hard work, and lots of smiles.